Today I'm going to tell about my grandparents, and they are very good. They are going to Jaipur and Barunpur, and there he was kissing me, hugging me, and loving me, and one. I'm going to speak about my grandparents. I love my grandparents and they love me. My grandparents love me and I also love them. I made a card for them. This is the card I made it for them. Happy Grandparents' Day. My grandma teaches me songs, she plays with me, and sometimes she also watches a few things with me. She teaches me Bangla, and I love her. Mama and Grandpa, I love you to stay in my house, and I love you so much to give you a card. And thank you for the present. And thank you for giving me after my birthday and giving me a present. And all the affection. Thank you for getting what I say. Thank you. This is Mohira, and I am talking about my grandparents. My grandma does lots of food for me, yummy food like noodles, everything. And my daddy plays with me, and I do fun. We just grow plants, and we watch TV together, iPad together. That's fun. That's fun. I love my daddy. I love my grandma. I love you so much. Hello, Grandpa and Grandma. I love you. Thank you. You are the best grandma and grandpa in the world. Thank you for taking me to show. You are the kindest. Thank you for being kind. I love you. You take me so much shopping. Thank you also for listening my story. Thank you. I love my grandparents and they also love me. And I always help them. And Dada always tells God to give me one chocolate. And he feels happy when I share 2 chocolates with him. And I tell nice stories and Dada loves it so much. Daddy also loves it. And all the time I jump into the bed. And Dada and Daddy is so happy. They are always happy. And when I do homework with Dada, Dada gets even more happy. That day when I hug them, they also hug me. They love me so much. Hi everyone. Because to play with me, they make me jamun. Chiroti. Tata makes me cycling. Ice cream. Cannonball. Bye. Hello Daddy, hello Grandpa, hello Nani ji, hello Nana ji. I loved my older 4 grandparents. Thank you for helping me and help me to grow. Dear Dadu and Dadi, I love to spend time with you. I love you and I love to play games with you. Namaste, I'm Pratana. I love my grandparents so much. They give me nice stories. They buy me presents, and they give me hug and kisses. And I love my grandparents so much. I love you, Nanam and Tata, Amam and Tata. Bye. Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about my grandparents. I love them so much. Thank you, Nanama Tata, to be with a lot of energy and play with me. Mama Tata, thank you to telling me a lot of interesting stories and singing songs with me. I love you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mama, Tata, Daddy. I really love you. You gave me a gift. You gave me everything in the gift. I really love you. Thank you.